Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class we will solve our problem. So yesterday we have done the pattern program, right? So today also we will do the same problem. But yesterday we have given 12 as input, right? So yesterday's problem we have given 12 as input. So 12 times. So each time you have to print 12 rows, like based upon the number we have manually printed the 12 lines, right? Yesterday we have printed 12 lines manually, but here I'm asking to print n times. Now I'm asking n times. So if you don't watch my previous video, please go and watch previous video, so then only you can understand this video, or otherwise you will not understand. So please do watch the previous video and come to this video. And so in previous video we have used 12 times, so 12 rows the asterisk stars will be present, but here we are using n times. So what I'm saying is n into n. So n into n times we have to print the asterisks. So I hope you understand the question. If you don't understand this question, don't worry, I will explain the program, then you can understand. Let us get into the program. Import java.till.start scanner sc is equal to new scanner in. So I'm giving int n is equal to sc dot next int. And after that, I'm giving for loop. So it should start from int I is equal to 1 and I less than or equal to n and I plus plus. And for and j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to n, j plus plus. So why I'm writing n? Yesterday I've written 12, right? But here I'm writing n. Why? Because we are doing n into n. So how many, like whatever I give n, that many times the rows will be there. And the stars also will be there. Like it's like a square box. It's like a square box. Let us see. Standard out dot. We have to use only print. Why we have to use print? Because like up to 1 to n, the stars should be present in the one line. And after completing the n into n times, then it will come to the next line. Like after completing the first row fully, then it will come to the next line. How it will come to the next line? How it will be come to the next line? By using this system dot out dot println single quotes. Sorry, double quotes with no space. Here I'm not giving space, right? Why I'm not giving space? Because we want only next line. We don't want any space. So that's why I'm giving system dot out dot println double quotes. That's it. So what will happen when I is equal to 1? It will come to this for loop. So when j is equal to 1 to n, the stars will be print on the same line. And after completing this thing, it will come outside and this statement will be executed and come to the next line. And after that, it will go to the I is equal to 2. Then again, it will be doing same process. So I hope you understand. Let us run this program. So let us give 12. So the output should be 12 lines from the column same and rows also same. Columns and rows also same. So it should look like a square. See, square. See, same. 12 stars, 12 stars. That's it. I hope you understand the program. So what I'm doing. Yesterday we have done here. Yesterday we have put 12. That's it. So it should do only 12. For example, 3. We give 3, it will give only 3, but the rows 12. But here I am using n, which means whatever I give n, that many rows and columns should be present as in the form of stars. For example, if you give 3, see here 3, 3, 3 rows, 3 columns. So I hope you understand. If you don't understand this program, please watch the video again so that you can understand better. That's it, friends. If you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon so then only you'll get the notification, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.